Are you looking for the best electric knife sharpeners? In today's fast-paced kitchens, the demand for electric knife sharpeners is rising fast. Whether you're a home chef, professional cook, or a culinary hobbyist, a quality electric sharpener can save time and restore your knives to peak performance. This guide evaluates top-rated models based on sharpening efficiency, build quality, ease of use, and overall value, helping you choose the perfect tool to keep your blades razor-sharp with minimal effort.
Product number 1. Chef's Choice 15XV Edge Select Professional Electric Knife Sharpener with 100% diamond abrasives. The Chef's Choice 15XV Edge Select is a premium-grade sharpener designed for serious chefs and home cooks alike. What sets this model apart is its 100% diamond abrasive system and its ability to convert traditional 20-degree knives to ultra-sharp 15-degree edges, optimizing cutting precision. The 3-stage sharpening process ensures a highly refined, long-lasting edge, while its flexible stropping disc in Stage 3 gives blades a polished, professional finish. The advanced precision angle guides eliminate guesswork, ensuring uniform results with every use. Quiet, fast, and built to last, this sharpener is ideal for high-end knives and frequent use. While it comes at a premium price, the performance justifies every penny, especially for those who take knife maintenance seriously.
Product number 2. Professional 3-stage electric knife sharpener for kitchen knives with 100% diamond abrasives, 20 degrees. This 3-stage electric knife sharpener is perfect for everyday kitchen use, offering professional-level sharpening without the learning curve. Designed with 100% diamond abrasives and preset 20-degree angle guides, it efficiently sharpens, hones, and polishes your knives. Stage 1 repairs and reshapes dull edges, Stage 2 hones them, and Stage 3 polishes for a razor-sharp finish. It's particularly effective for straight-edge and serrated knives, making it versatile enough for a variety of household tasks. The compact design fits easily on most countertops, and the simple controls make operation foolproof even for beginners. While it may lack the brand recognition of higher-end models, it delivers exceptional value and performance for the price, ideal for home cooks looking for a reliable daily tool.
Product number 3. Professional Electric Knife Sharpener with 100% diamond abrasives and precision angle guides. This professional electric knife sharpener offers top-notch edge restoration using industrial-grade diamond abrasives and precision angle guides to maintain consistency and accuracy during sharpening. The system includes multiple stages to reshape, sharpen, and polish both straight-edge and serrated knives, delivering professional results in minutes. It's especially appealing for users who want the benefits of premium sharpeners without the intimidating controls. With a robust, user-friendly interface, this model offers quick results with minimal blade wear. Its sleek design and compact build make it an excellent addition to modern kitchens. Though not as versatile as some high-end competitors for specialty knives, it's a well-rounded solution for everyday sharpening needs.
Product number 4. Presto 08810 Professional Electric Knife Sharpener, Multi/None. The Presto 08810 is a budget-friendly yet powerful electric sharpener that offers surprising performance for its price. It features a 3-stage sharpening system and adjustable blade selectors, allowing it to accommodate different knife types and angles, from sport knives to kitchen blades. The sapphire-coated sharpening wheels provide efficient sharpening and a smooth finish, while the guide slots ensure proper blade alignment. It's user-friendly enough for beginners, yet effective enough for seasoned home cooks. Its compact footprint makes it easy to store, although the plastic housing may feel less durable than more premium models. Overall, it strikes a strong balance between functionality and affordability. Product number 5. Presto 08800 Eversharp Electric Knife Sharpener, 2-stage system, silver black. The Presto 8800 Eversharp is a no-frills 2-stage electric knife sharpener designed for everyday home use. Utilizing sapphire sharpening wheels and fixed guides, this model makes it easy to sharpen non-serrated blades with little effort or experience. In Stage 1, it grinds the new edge, while Stage 2 hones it for a smooth, sharp finish. Despite its simplicity, it sharpens knives quickly and effectively, breathing new life into dull blades. Its compact design makes it ideal for small kitchens or limited counter space. However, it doesn't accommodate serrated knives or offer angle adjustments, limiting its flexibility. Still, for users seeking an inexpensive, plug-and-play sharpener for standard kitchen knives, it's hard to beat.